Look at the sun. I'm going to the bakery. Need to buy bread and cheese manakis for their breakfast today. This is my sunlight. I'm going out to the bakery. A while ago, busing passed by there, but the bakery is still closed. So I need to go to buy. I hope it's already open. See, we are surrounded with a high building because we live in the city of Abu Dhabi. I hope the bakery is already open so that I won't go out again later to buy bread. We don't have bread in the house, only the Arabic bread that I buy in the supermarket yesterday. This is the church of the Muslim. This one. It's already 7:30. Nice view.